What's up guys, Beaks Wheels here for another video. Today we're going to be showing you how to take the tire off and put a new one on. So let's get after it. So if you want to, put this one out in the heat. Let that one warm up a little bit. You have to take this rear nut off here, rear axle, which isn't too bad. Back tire is the easiest one out of the both of them. So put that, hang that right there, bang that through. There's another washer there, hang that right there. Take this side, pull it out right there. I'm gonna hold the wheel up a little bit, just slide that out, and then throw that guy right in there so we don't lose them. And then there's another piece right here. Take that out, put that right there, and then you get some pieces in there. You got that there. You got your bracket kit here. It's easier if you just take the brakes off, but I don't like doing that. Just keep it like that. Actually, just hang it right there. Put these here. Just put that there for now. Take this one off here. Throw that up there. Then you can just roll the wheel up. Get the chain off a little bit there. And then pull this guy back. Pretty much easy as that to get the wheel off. And then you can take your sprocket here. Set that guy right there. That's probably from an old job there. So yeah, as you see, this one's starting to get eaten up here. Getting down to the wires, just like right there. So yeah, she needs a cleaning, but can't do that today. We're kind of in a rush here. So alright, next is what you'll need here for the tools. I got 3 of these off Amazon or eBay. They're just little tire prior offers. I forgot the actual name for them. But what you'll do is you'll just stick them in here and you'll pry the tire up and off. Also, you'll need a little valve stem too. So you take this valve core out of the tire. Alright, so here's the valve stem remover. It's a little piece there. You just take this and get it in there. It's a little hard with the rim being there, so you just take that guy, put it in there, lefty-loosey just like always. Then you hear all the air coming out, just like that. A lot easier than trying to get it out just little by little. So you want to take this and definitely put this somewhere. So I usually put it with the valve stem. I'll go put it on my table real fast so I don't lose it. Just like that. Oh. Then you want to take one of these, start prying in the tire, just like that. Take this one and do the same, just like that. Now if you're really cautious about your rims, you can get a little plastic piece in there. It'll help protect your rim, but I'm not too worried about it. I can always repaint them if I need. But yeah, having a warm tire would be the best. Do like a burnout or something in it. Get up under there. Alright guys, once you're able to get the bead off, just like this, to where it's like on the outside there, or on the inside of the tire rim, then you want to get the actual tire around the rim here. So you just take this, pry it in there, leave 2 in there, and just pry it a little bit at a time. Make sure you get both sides, the bead off, and then after that, this is pretty much cake. Hardest part's breaking the beads. So yeah, probably just take these guys out now, just like that. And like I said, if you guys actually care about your rims or you're not trying to do a fast job, get that little plastic piece and you'll probably save your rims or paint if you get a nice rim or something. But these are just the stock rims. I can go get some off eBay or something. So yeah, easy as that. Probably one more pull there, but you know, this side's off. So I have to get the other side here all pried off. Sorry for my breathing, but got the helmet on to get this video done. Alright guys, now that I got both of them off here, what you can do, try to just get that over that lip there. Then you're going to fold it over. Just like that. You always get another tool here if it's not coming. Get that in there a little bit further so it don't pop out on you. Just keep going. Come on, boy. At least 2 in there, so 3. How many of you freaking need to get this bitch off? There we go. See with the knee, it comes right off. And there's your tire. There's your rim. Make sure you know which way it's going. Easy with the sprocket there. Sprocket's on that side, so it's gonna be going this way if you're looking at it like that. And then your tire, new one, it's gonna have an arrow on one of the sides and a dot. That dot you want to put at your valve stem there, and then the arrow you want to have facing the way you want to be going. So we want it like this, and then so we're gonna lay this down just like that, and then we're gonna put this guy right there. Now do you want some Windex, spray your tire down in there. You guys, now what you're gonna want to do is take the Windex here, and if you're putting this side on first, you want to spray the outside just like that. Don't get too much in the tire, and then just wipe it all around it just like that, and then start pushing it on. And if it's in the heat, it should go a little good, just like that. Just pops right on. And now you got one side on, just gotta get this other side. So I'd spray this down a little bit too, just like that. Wipe it around. Now if you get the same tire, what I've found out is if you put it in the same spot, same weights on it, you don't really need to balance it. Don't take that as my advice. That's just what I found out. But some cases are different. You may have to balance it. And if you don't have a fancy balancing stool or a stand, whatever, get some car jacks. Put them all the way up. Put your axle through, and then take the weights off, and you know, there's plenty of videos on that. Check out how to balance your tire. We're just doing the change today, because I got a lot session plan on going to. So you want to get this up in there around the lip on that, just like that. Take this end, pry it around, pry that around. You can honestly get most of it on there to an extent. Best way to do is do that, and then put your knees like right here to where it's gonna stop, and then just take that, keep going with it, go with both sides here, find it in there, put that in there. This way your third one will come really in handy, just like that. Shove it on, and then yeah, take this one off, put that in there. And if you don't get the to get this side to move on you, it's going to be a bitch. Sometimes this is where you want 2 people, but if you don't have 2 people, use your knees. Knees are really helpful in this. Alright, so do that. Inch it at a time, a little bit at a time here and there. Especially on the sticker tires. You can always use your feet. And pull over. Alright guys, just finished putting the tire back on, or got it on. You want to put your knees down here, have both of your tire knives in there, whatever you want to call them, and then just pry it up together. And then after that, should pop on. Shout out to Tom, one of my roommates, for coming out here and saying what's up, because I was stuck in a spot and he helped me get my mind right. So definitely helped me get this tire on, so big shout out to him. Now all you want to do is air it up here. After you air it up, you should hear 2 pops. Alright, now what you want to do, well, what I want to do, so I want to take 15, I want to get it down to 15 PSI up in here. So we're pretty close there, about 15 or so. Take a little bit more out. Oh yeah, now we're going to check the balance. Alright, and then you just spin it. Make sure it's not, you know, lopsided or nothing. And then you just want to stop it with the heaviest part of the tire on the top. So that'd be right there. Doesn't move. Just check it by that. Moves a little bit. It's actually going the way I want, so I'd rather have that. Barely moves. Alright, so after this we're going to throw it back on the wheel, on the rig, and yeah, show you the finished product. Alright guys, there's the finished product right there. All on, chain's all good now. That's how you change a tire on a bike. If you have any more questions, write them in the comments below. Send me some DMs on Instagram if you want. Beaks Wheels on Instagram. Make sure you smash that like button, hit subscribe, comment, check out my other videos, and we'll see you in the next video. Be safe, stay lucky guys. Beaks Wheels, peace and out.